Emily Griffin, an inspiring leader, a visionary educator, and a trailblazing pharmacist transforming the profession with her expertise and dedication. With a Bachelor of Pharmacy, a graduate certificate in pharmacy practice, and a Master of Clinical Pharmacy, Emily is credentialed consultant pharmacist. Her vast experience spans rural and metropolitan hospitals, community pharmacy, and academia, making her a well-rounded expert in the field. Her outstanding contributions have been recognized at the highest level. Emily was honored as the Pharmaceutical Society of Australia's Early Career Pharmacist of the Year for Victoria, and is acknowledged both nationally and internationally as a leader in pharmacy practice. Emily is a credentialed expert in conducting medication management reviews, ensuring patients receive optimal care through safe and effective medication use. As a passionate educator, she plays a key role in shaping the future of pharmacy, lecturing and mentoring in undergraduate and postgraduate programs, while actively engaging in research to advance pharmacy practice. Beyond her clinical and academic roles, Emily uses social media as a powerful tool for advocacy, promoting pharmacist empowerment, fostering positive workplace cultures, and addressing healthcare disparities. As the Principal Pharmacist and Director of Encapsuled, Emily continues to lead with innovation, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to advancing the pharmacy profession. Emily Griffin, a name that echoes leadership, expertise, and passion in pharmacy. Elite Expertise is going to conduct a free webinar on Australian pharmacist scope now and in the future, this 5th April 2025, with Emily Griffin as the guest speaker. Don't miss this opportunity. Slots are limited, so hurry up and register with the link provided below.